Why are there not more people talking about Willis Carrier, the man who saved us from summer heat? It was the sweltering summer of 1902 when Willis Carrier, a young engineer, had a genius idea. He invented the first modern air conditioner to solve a problem at a printing plant. Carrier's system didn't just cool the air, it controlled humidity too. This was revolutionary because humidity was causing paper to warp and ink to smudge. His invention quickly caught on, transforming hot factories and offices into comfortable, productive spaces. By 1922, Carrier had refined his design to be smaller and more affordable, making air conditioning available to the masses. Thanks to Carrier, we can now enjoy cool air in our homes, cars, and just about everywhere. So next time you crank up the AC, remember the genius who made it all possible. Willis Carrier, the man who made summers cool.